Hello everyone, today we're going to read Clifford the Big Red Dog by Norman Bridwell. This is the front of the book, the back of the book, and the spine. Clifford the Big Red Dog. Hi, I'm Emily Elizabeth and I have a dog. My dog is a big red dog. Other kids I know have dogs too. Some are big dogs. And some are red dogs. But I have the biggest, reddest dog on our street. This is my dog, Clifford. We have fun together. We play games. I throw a stick and he brings it back to me. He makes mistakes sometimes. We play hide and seek. I'm a good hide and seek player. I can find Clifford no matter where he hides. He's so big. She could spot him anywhere because he's so big. We play camping out and I don't need a tent. She uses Clifford as a tent. He can do tricks too. He can sit up and beg. Oh, I know he's not perfect. He has some bad habits. He runs after cars and he catches some of them. Uh-oh. He runs after cats too. We don't go to the zoo anymore. The lion is scared of him. He digs up flowers. Clifford loves to chew shoes. It's not easy to keep Clifford. He eats and drinks a lot. He is such a big dog. He needs a lot of food and a lot of water. His house was a problem too. But he's a very good watchdog. The bad boys don't come around anymore. One day, I gave Clifford a bath. Look at, she took a bath. He took a bath in the swimming pool because he is so big. And I combed his hair and took him to the dog show. I'd like to say Clifford won first prize, but he didn't. He won second prize. That's good. I don't care. You can keep all your small dogs. You can keep all your black dogs, white, brown, and spotted dogs. I'll keep Clifford, wouldn't you? The end. Emily Elizabeth loves her dog. I bet if you have a dog, you love your dog too. And I bet you he can do tricks, right? Like Clifford. And I'm sure that you play with him. I like Clifford the Big Red Dog. The end.